Prambanan Temple?
Yesterday we just visited that place.
Okay, may I ask you some question about Prambanan Temple?
Yes, of course.
Which culture does Prambanan Temple belong to?
The temple is a Hindu temple.
Okay, now what will the temple and when was it built?
The Prambanan temple was built in the 9th century in Tarakai, Italy.
Where is Prambanan Temple located?
Located is on God, facing religion from the and religion and specialists from the Jakarta Indonesia.
Okay, thank you.
And,
I think I